Hello and welcome to Dr. Jim's Structures class, where we do structures by example.
Man's practicing fuzzy math again.
This is an introduction to Dr. Jim's videos on the analysis of pin-jointed frames. The current roadmap for the playlist is as follows. Video 1 introduces the structural principles behind pin-jointed frames and the methods used to analyze them. Video 2 uses this frame to introduce the method of joints. Video 3 demonstrates how the frame analysis program LinPro can be used to analyze the same frame. Video 4 also analyzes the same frame, only this time using the method of sections. Video 5 analyzes this more complex pin-jointed frame. Video 6 uses LinPro to analyze the more complex frame. The videos will play in order after this video finishes, and Dr. Jim hopes that you will find them useful.
Phony numbers.
If I could respond to that.
Let me just tell you what the facts are.